Hi guys, welcome to Quizzer Dog. Let's check your observation in 3 levels. And this is Brand Edition. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. We start with McDonald. The text of the logo has been slightly shifted. It is the turn of KFC and Burger King. Well done. Oh, fried chicken. It has no bone. I am so hungry that I can eat all these pizzas. It is here. I can still eat all these hamburgers. This one has no sesame. Medium level. Excellent. Coca-Cola and Pepsi. I'm interested to know which one you prefer. Write us below. Good job. The next famous brand is here, Fanta. The blue has gone up. Cold drinks. Great. Ow, I want lemonade. It does not have a specific brand. These are very cute. This one is different from the others. Oh, I'm confused. Misspelled here, Coca-Cola. Red Bull has an attractive logo. Aha! You must know this logo. Yes, this is Monster. Here. Excellent. You have finally reached the hard level. I'm sure you found it. Oh my God. Aha! Lovely KFC again. This one has 2 pieces less. Look at the pieces of ice. There is no straw. The last one. If you find it, you really have strong eyes. Great! Before choosing the next video, tell me how many you could answer correctly.